Hi everybody, welcome to my third episode of the vintage holiday hop Christmas. This time I'm going to be doing a infinity scarf. Now Melissa and Colleen have already done their third ones, which you will have seen, and tomorrow Dawn at My Quilt Projects will be doing her last one. So please support my friends. Her YouTube channels are in my description. Please like and support them, and subscribe to us all. Thank you. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. As I say, Melissa at Practically Creative and Colleen at Colleen Sews and Chats have already done theirs. Please look out for Dawn's at My Quilt Projects tomorrow. Her last one will be going up. I hope you've enjoyed the vintage holiday hop season. Thank you.